Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from bit manipulation, which is single number 2. So here in single number 2, you have given one array where all numbers are appearing thrice and one number is appearing single time. Okay, you need to find that single number. So for this, we will use two buckets method. Okay, so there what we will do, let's say you have two buckets. First, let's say you have numbers something like the array something like this 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 2. Okay, so you take two buckets, let's say ones and twos. Okay, no need to take threes. So now if the number is appearing once, you will put it into ones bucket. If it is appearing twice, okay, you will delete it from ones and you will put it to twos bucket. So you will come to know that this number is coming twice. Now if it is coming thrice, then you will take out that from twos also. Okay, you don't need to maintain, you just need at the end this 3 in your answer, right? So like first 2 came, so 2 comes, so you will put it here in ones. Next time this 2 comes, so you will delete it from here and you will put it here. Okay, then 3 comes, so 3 is coming first time, so you will put here, and then 2 again come, so it is already coming twice. Okay, so you will take out from here. So at the end your bucket will have this ones bucket will have 3 and your twos bucket will have 0. So this one will be your answer. Okay, you will return once. Now how you will do it? Very simple. See, you have to put it in, if you see these two lines, okay, this one and this one, so this is the complete logic. See what you want. First the number came, okay, so you will XOR it with 1. Why XOR it? Because see, suppose your bucket has 0 0 initially, okay, and if you XOR it with 1 0, what you will get? 0 1 you will get 1, 0 0 you will get 0, means you have added it. Okay, try it with anything like 1 1. If you take 1 1, then what will be the answer? 0 1 will be 1, 0 1 will be 1, so again 1 1. So XOR you are using for the addition, and for the subtraction invert you will use. Okay, so the formula is so first see, first number came, so you have added that number in ones bucket, and you are taking AND, okay, and twos bucket. So if it is there in twos, so it's invert. Okay, you are ending that with the number which is there in ones. So for example, let's say this is your ones, this is your twos. Okay, so the number is in twos. Okay, and you're try to put it in ones, let's say. So what will happen? Initially ones will have 0 0. Okay, so 0 0 you're putting it in 1, so 1 0 will come here in 1. Now you're ending that with twos invert. So what will be twos invert? 1 0 will become 0 1, so 0 1. So this one will be 1 0 and 0 1. So anyways you will get 0 0, right? So in ones you will get 0 0, means you are not able to add that in ones. Okay, it is still there in 2. So this is the logic. Now let's try run it. Okay, so see, first 2 came, so what will be your ones? First this 2 came. Okay, so your ones will be initially ones and twos will have 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0 0. Now you are XORing it with the number is 2. Two's binary is 1 0. Okay, and then whatever resultant will be, you are ending it with invert of 2. So 2 is currently holding 0 0, so invert of 2 will be 1 1. So 1 1. What will be the answer? 0 1 1 0 will become 1 0 and 1 1. So at the end the answer will be 1 0 only. Okay, so this is ones. Now let's see for the twos. So twos is initially it is 0 0. You're ending it with 1 0 and whatever there in ones. So now ones have this 1 0. So you will revert will be 0 1. Okay, so here 1 0 and 0 1, this will be 0 0, which is correct because first time 2 should go in ones. Okay, and twos will have 0. So this is what we have, 1 0 and 0 0. So let me write down here. So twos, ones is 1 0 and twos is 0 0 in first pass. Okay, let me clear this now. Okay, now second pass. Okay, now second pass again this 1 came. So now in your ones and in your twos, okay, in your ones what is what you have 1 0, and in your twos what you have 0 0. Okay, so now 2 came. So ones XOR number. So XOR, what is number? Number is 1 0. Okay, and whatever there is in twos, just invert it. So twos have 0 0. So here 1 1 will come. So 1 0 XOR 1 0. If two number are same, you will get 0 and 1 1. So at the end you will get 0 0 only in ones. Okay, now for twos, XOR it with the number and whatever there in ones. Okay, just invert it. So 0 0 XOR 1 0, 1 0 will come here and 1 1. So at the end you will have 1 0, which is correct because in second pass ones should that number 2 will should be move out from ones bucket and it should come to twos bucket. So see, ones is 0 0 and twos is 1 0. Okay, so let me write here 0 0 and 1 0. Okay, now let me remove this again. Okay, now third pass. So this 3 comes. Okay, this 3 comes. So currently in ones and in twos you have 0 0 and 1 0. Okay, now 3 came, so 3 is 1 1, right? And you're ending it with whatever you have in 2's invert of that, so it will become 1 0. So here this one will be 1 1 and 0 1, so ultimately it will be 0 1 only. Okay, and in 2's you will invert it with XOR it with 1 1 and whatever there in 1's invert of it, so 1 0. So here 1 1 will become 0, 0 1 will become 1 and 1 0, so again 0 0. Okay, so 1's have 0 1 and 2's have 0 0. So let me write down here 0 1 and 0 0. Okay, again let me remove this. Okay, last pass. Okay, last pass, this 2 came, so 1's okay, 1's have 0 1, 2's have 0 0. Okay, so XOR it with 1 0 and whatever you have in 2's invert of it. Okay, so 0 1 XOR 1 0, what it will be? 1 1 and 1 1. Okay, so ultimately 3 will be there in 1's. Now 2's, so number is 1 0 and 0 0. Okay, invert of this one. So 0 1 XOR 1 0, 1 0 will be here and then 0 0, so ultimately it will be 0 0. So at the end you have 1 1 and 0 0. Okay, so can you see if this is the answer? Okay, bucket 1's have 3 and bucket 2's have 0. So you will return 1's. So your answer will be 3. That's it. Thank you.